feet marks. Higher water levels could impact non-elevated structures along Riverside Drive. A coastal flood watch means that conditions favorable for flooding are expected to develop. Coastal residents should be alert for later statements or warnings and take action to protect property. Coastal flood watch in effect from late Thursday night through Friday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a coastal flood watch, which is in effect from late Thursday night through Friday afternoon. Coastal flooding. Moderate coastal flooding possible with water level 3 to 4 feet above ground. Timing. Water levels will increase starting early Friday morning. Peak water levels are expected Friday afternoon. It's Steve Hatchie. High tides are 2:38 a.m. and 2:32 p.m. at Friday. Impacts. At 3 feet, water will impact beach access roads in Steve Hatchie, Pleasant Beach, and Keaton Beach. Water overtops the seawall in Horseshoe Beach. In Suwannee, most canals begin to flood, impacting non-elevated structures. At 4 feet, more significant flooding affects coastal areas between Keaton Beach and Suwannee, impacting more non-elevated structures. A coastal flood watch means that conditions favorable for flooding are expected to develop. Coastal residents should be alert for later statements or warnings and take action to protect property. These are the 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions.